Hi everyone, my name is Madison Page and I am behind the scenes at the FX Design team as their social media marketer. So I have come on plenty of projects and I have seen it all. But what has been trending this year has for sure been fire features. In what way, you may be asking? What makes a fire feature appealing? Well, if you have a backyard pooled by the FX Design team, a fire element really just creates beautiful aesthetics. It allows you to entertain with family and friends throughout the entire night, as well as creating a fun space for your children to roast marshmallows, and not just for the kids, for the adults as well. If you're interested in some of the fire features that we provide at the FX Design team, don't hesitate to give us a call.